Hello guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. This is Vegan with Soul. I hope you have enjoyed the jackfruit journey so far this month. We're winding down, getting close to the end, but I can't leave out the traditional chicken pot pie. Of course, I made it vegan with jackfruit. It's very delicious, very easy. So let's get started, guys. Guys, the jackfruit pot pie is out of the oven and it looks so good. Isn't that wonderful? Let's have a taste. Hello guys, this is my daughter-in-law Beatrice Hunter, and she stopped in today while I was recording. I was like, you know what? You're gonna taste this with me on camera so they know that I'm not lying to you guys when I tell you it's delicious. She would tell me the truth. If she doesn't like it, what would you say?
I'll tell her it's not good.
It's not good. It's not. That's her face. Her face is like, take that back. Take it back. Anyway, let's have a taste try. Try to wait on you, slowpoke.
Sorry.
Ready?
That's really good. That's chicken pot pie. It's really good.
So you approve?
If you didn't know that it was jackfruit, you would think it was chicken pot pie. It's really good. Yes, I approve. It's really good.
There you go, guys.
Can I take the rest one?
No. Okay. I'll make you a piece.
Okay. I'll take that one.
You take a piece on? You know how I do. Trying to take my food all the time. She do, yo, every time. But as you see, this is delicious, and she's not lying. You wouldn't think. Here's my chicken. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing. Thank you, guys. I'll see you next time in my kitchen. Have a great day. Bye. That's delicious.
Let's go.